In a deal that underscores the future of mobility and artificial intelligence, Tesla has signed a colossal $16.5 billion contract with Samsung to produce its AI-6 chips right here in Texas. Announced by Elon Musk on X, he hailed Samsung's new Texas fab as dedicated to making Tesla's next-generation AI-6 chip, adding that the strategic importance of this is hard to overstate. Tesla's AI-6, also known as Hardware 6, is an all-in-one design engineered to power everything from full self-driving features in Tesla cars to Optimus humanoid robots and even large-scale AI training in data centers. Previously, Tesla tapped TSMC for its AI-5 chips, built initially in Taiwan and soon in Arizona. Meanwhile, Samsung already manufactures Tesla's current A14 chip, laying the groundwork for this deeper collaboration. For Samsung, this deal is a lifeline. Its Texas Foundry has struggled without major clients, capturing only about 8% of the global logic chip market compared to TSMC's 67%. Tesla's commitment could revive Samsung's contract manufacturing arm. In true founder mode, Musk promises to walk the line personally to accelerate progress. Samsung even agreed to let Tesla engineers assist in optimizing manufacturing efficiency, bringing Silicon Valley expertise directly onto the fab floor. The market reacted swiftly. Samsung's shares soared nearly 7%, its highest in months, while Tesla stock climbed by nearly 2% in pre-market trading. Investors see this deal not just as supply continuity, but as a strategic alliance in the AI race. Running through the end of 2033, this contract sets a baseline of $16.5 billion, though Musk cautions actual spend could be several times higher as Tesla scales its AI ambitions. With Samsung's chips under the hood, Tesla accelerates toward a future where cars drive themselves, robots work side by side with humans, and AI transforms every corner of our world.